Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy, Travis Preston, aka Mr. Travels, and today I'm in another country. I'm in Scotland, all right? It's been almost about 7 years since I've been in Europe, so I'm really excited. So we're gonna just take a walk around and see what we can see in Edinburgh, the capital. All right, so let's go. All right, guys, so we just got to the main street, which is called the Royal Mile. That's the nickname. I gotta get the correct term or the name for it a little later. But as you can see, people are out here enjoying themselves. So right now, I'm walking, I'm not sure what direction, north, south, I don't know. But I'm walking towards the castle, Edinburgh Castle. It says it's about maybe 10, 15 minute walk from the hotel I'm staying at, which is the Jury Inn, Edinburgh. Perfect location. So one of the tips is that I can give you, that I was told by the Uber driver, you do not need taxi, Uber. You can literally walk this city to get to all the points of interest, all right? All right, so we're still walking up this little slight hill. Oh, okay, I just got it, guys. So the nickname is the Royal Mile, but the actual name of the street is High Street. So make sure that's interchangeable, right? So you guys won't get lost. And so one things that that's super nostalgic for me is spending so much time in Europe. Like I said, I lived there for 3 years when I was in the Army. And I've been visiting so many Central America and South American countries. I was almost starstruck as soon as I got here, because I was like, dang, I'm back in Europe. It's so beautiful here too. So make sure you guys pay attention and get it in. So many cathedrals, and obviously that's what Europe is known for: cathedrals, castles, things of that nature. So let me turn this around so you can see. So it's sort of like a little square, and every street look like Harry Potter to me. Let me know if y'all feel the same way. All right, guys, so once you get to the middle part, at least from my hotel, in the middle of the Royal Mile, is a cathedral called the St. Giles Cathedral. As you can see, it looks pretty awesome, right? So you can't miss it because it's right in front of the statue. And then I guess a little bit further that way is the Edinburgh Castle. So we're gonna keep pushing, but what do y'all think about the castle, the cathedral? So we're still walking. I have the cathedral, the St. Giles, to my left. And like I said, one of the things I really do admire and miss about you, oh, it's a good picture. You can never miss a photo op. Bam, mixed in with that sky. So like I was saying, literally, like the cobblestones, the architecture, I love it. I love all the Gothic buildings, the gargoyles. Just something different. Also, like I said, on the Royal Mile, you can pretty much get anything you need. Like I said, Scotland is known for their whiskeys, their scotch, obviously, their kilts. I do plan on buying a kilt. Hopefully I can. I tried to research it before I got here. A lot of places were backed up and you had to reserve and all that. I didn't feel like doing all that. But you can see they have a lot of stores to my right. Oh, it's another statue. That's what I'm saying, man. How can you not love Europe? Let's see. The House of Edinburgh. See, beautifully Scottish, cashmere, fine woolens, and tweeds. Who like them tweeds? Oh yeah, I gotta bring the wife back. Oh, let me cross this. Yeah. So you can see the behind me. So we're getting close to the Edinburgh Castle. Oh, it's a lot more touristy people than I thought, especially this time of year. I guess it's never a bad time to come to Scotland or just the UK in general. So also another thing that the UK or just Europe in general are known for are the pubs and the taverns. And I know when I visited London a few years ago, they had some wild names and they always have a story. Ooh, fish and chips. Gotta get some fish and chips. Yeah, we're getting close. We're turning around so you can see this. Oh man, this is beautiful. Yeah, you guys gotta see this. All right, so we're still walking. I believe I can see Edinburgh's castle. It's off in the distance a little bit. But I promise you, I feel like I'm in Harry Potter. Promise you. So what do y'all think so far of the city? And make sure that you guys like, subscribe, leave a comment at the end of this video. Suggest some places that I should visit and vlog for you guys. All right, guys, so we just got to the end of the Royal Mile, which leads to this side of it, to Edinburgh Castle. So what y'all think about the castle and the little area? So there's a lot of areas in here on the little parking lot. You can actually drive up. You got a couple outlooks. The city's on this side, and then you have, I guess, the river on the other side. I'm gonna take a look on both sides, but yeah, the castle look pretty hard to me. I can't wait to let me get out their picture. But yeah, I definitely can't wait to visit it. That will be tomorrow. So I'm gonna try to vlog it inside. Hopefully they let me vlog. But if not, you guys gotta understand that. But it does look pretty tough though. What y'all think? Okay, so I hope you guys like the view, but in the process of that, I was talking to one of the, I guess, workers of the castle. They say you cannot vlog, but you can take pictures, and it's like 2 areas inside the castle that you cannot record or take pictures. So it kind of sucks because I did want to vlog it for you guys, but like I said, rules are rules. So I probably won't have my camera on me, and also they don't even allow you to have book bags. So I'm gonna have to actually leave my equipment in the room and then double back. So let's keep walking. So pretty much I'm gonna walk right back down on the Royal Mile. And I guess on the other side, I believe there's some type of museum. So I'm gonna try to see if they're still open. I can check that out. All right, guys, so like I said, I've just been walking around exploring, and I just came across this. It's called the Grey Friars. I'm trying to get a little bit more information. It's definitely gonna have a pop-up. As you can see, there's like a cathedral behind me. I believe this is a cemetery. I think it says something about this is where I guess it's the overflow of the dead for Scots and stuff like that. So let's take a look at the grounds and see what we see. So I'm on Chambers Street. Just like I said, I'm just walking around, not really looking at a map, just because I feel like the best way to explore a city or any town or whatever is by foot, right? If it's a walkable city, and Edinburgh is a very, very walkable city, right? So that's why I just chose just to walk around, see what I run into, any type of interesting architecture, people, whatever. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I haven't walked a city in a while. This reminds me of like Boston. Boston's a very walkable city for the most part. I know tomorrow I got some stuff I want to do. Try to shoot some more stuff. But like I said, right now I'm on Chambers Street. I'm gonna try to make my way back to the Royal Mile and walk to, I guess they got like another little castle on that end of it. I just have to figure out how to get there. But that's part of traveling, right? just kind of walked around, got to the end of the bridge. I hooked the left, and I saw this. I had to come over here. So this is called Scott Monument. I definitely got to read up on it so I can give you guys, full value. But tell me what you think what it looks like. Do it look kind of dope? I think it do. See the old grassy knoll. I'm trying to get a little close to see what else is over there. All right, so now I just double back. Now I'm going back down to see can I find the overlook. They said it was across the street from the hotel, so it has to be over here somewhere on this street. So one thing I can say, Edinburgh's beautiful. It's a beautiful city. The people seem really friendly, kind of reserved. Haven't had too much interaction. But I just looked at that as a positive. Because you could go somewhere and people act like assholes. So I'm definitely not getting the asshole vibe. I don't know what that is. But I tell you, all these buildings look beautiful. So I really do miss Europe. I'm about to go to some more European countries just to check them out. All right, guys, so I just got on top of Calton Hill. It's a little steep hill. I got so in the beginning there's steps, and then it just levels out, and it's like a maybe 15-degree incline. And then when you get up top, you get these type of views. So it's a bunch of things to do up here. Well, I guess monuments. Has another lookout up top. I'm gonna go up there after this, but I definitely wanted to show you guys, I guess the bottom tier of Calton Hill. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the walking tour that I provided. Like I said, everything I did today was completely free, so you can follow it. You can go off the beaten path like I did, and hopefully you run into something that maybe I didn't even run into. So, all right, so like I said, it's Travis Preston signing out from Edinburgh, Scotland. Peace.